What if I told you that the eco-friendly packaging you are using could be putting you at serious risk? Those biodegradable boxes and recycled materials might seem harmless, but there's a hidden danger lurking beneath the surface. You've seen the ads touting sustainable packaging as the solution to our environmental woes, but there's a growing alarm over the overlooked risks of eco-friendly packaging, especially when paired with high-tech gadgets. This is critical information you need to grasp. Picture this: you unwrap the latest tech gadget encased in shiny, biodegradable packaging. It feels good, right? You think you're making a responsible choice for the environment. But what if that packaging is leaching harmful chemicals into your device? This reality is often overlooked, yet it poses serious threats to your health and safety. The shift to sustainable materials is fraught with complications. Manufacturers are rushing to roll out eco-friendly options without fully understanding their implications. Some so-called green materials can break down too quickly or release toxins when heated. And the worst part, you might be jeopardizing your health every time you unbox a new gadget. Consider this: you open a box, expecting excitement, but you could be exposing yourself to dangerous substances. That sleek gadget might be just the beginning. The real peril could be hidden in the packaging itself, and most people are completely unaware. Even more alarming is the lack of regulation in this space. Companies can label their products as eco-friendly without thorough testing, leaving consumers in the dark. That trusted label biodegradable or recyclable can be misleading. Now, think about your friend who just bought the same gadget. Do you express your concerns, or do you stay silent, hoping for the best? This dilemma is becoming all too common as we strive for eco-conscious decisions without the full picture. So what can you do? Start questioning the packaging. Seek out companies that are transparent about their materials. Ask yourself, does this truly align with my health and sustainability values? It's time to hold brands accountable for what they include in their boxes. Here's a crucial takeaway: as a consumer, you wield power. By staying informed and critical about your purchases, you can make healthier choices for yourself and the environment. Next time you peel back that biodegradable layer, take a moment to reflect. What's really inside? Because not everything that glitters green is safe. If this information has opened your eyes, consider sharing this video. Together we can raise awareness and make smarter choices. Have you ever unwrapped a shiny new gadget and felt a rush of excitement only to find it encased in eco-friendly packaging? What if I told you that this green choice could come with surprising risks? Many of us believe we're helping the planet by choosing sustainable packaging, but what if that packaging isn't as safe as it seems? Imagine this: you open that sleek cutting-edge tech toy, your fingers gliding over the biodegradable materials. It feels great, right? But what if it's leaking substances that could impact your health? That's where the hidden risks start to surface. While many eco-friendly materials are made with good intentions, they often lack the thorough safety testing that traditional options undergo. Picture this: you're about to dive into your favorite game, and the packaging boasts terms like compostable and plant-based. You might not realize that the very materials meant to help the planet could have unintended health consequences. Those vibrant colors and designs you love, they might contain chemicals that can disrupt your hormones. You won't notice the effects right away, but over time, they could lead to serious health issues. Now, think about your daily life. You grab that sleek remote, tapping away, completely unaware of the potential risks lingering on its eco-friendly surface. It's concerning, isn't it? We often overlook what's right in front of us, convinced that eco means safe. So what can you do? Start questioning the packaging. Look for brands that prioritize transparency. It's not just about being eco-conscious, it's about being health-conscious too. Here's the kicker: many companies are still unaware of these risks. Fire riding the green wave without fully understanding its implications. As you consider your next purchase, remember that not everything that glitters is green. The choices we make today shape our future, not just for the planet, but for our health as well. So the next time you unwrap that high-tech gadget, take a moment to pause. Think about what lies beneath the surface, because sometimes the most eco-friendly options can carry the most unexpected risks. What if I told you that the eco-friendly packaging you've chosen could pose serious risks? The truth is, sustainable doesn't always mean safe. In our gadget-obsessed world, this is a problem many of us overlook. Imagine unboxing your shiny new device, thrilled by its eco-conscious packaging. It looks great, right? But have you considered what happens to that biodegradable material once it's out of your hands? Spoiler alert, it's not as simple as it seems. These green alternatives can come with hidden dangers. We often assume that if something is labeled sustainable, it's automatically safe. However, some eco-friendly materials might contain chemicals that could leach into the very products they are meant to protect. Picture this: you're setting up your brand new smartphone made from recycled materials. What if that cardboard box is releasing harmful substances into your living room air? It's a startling thought, isn't it? Now let's reflect on your last purchase. Did you take a moment to consider the packaging? You might find that the allure of green has concealed some unsettling truths. The risks don't stop there. High-tech gadgets rely on sensitive electronic components that need protection from moisture and impact. Manufacturers might choose eco-friendly materials that can't withstand these challenges, leading to potential malfunctions. Imagine your new gadget failing simply because of its packaging. Frustrating, right? You trusted that brand, only to be left with a broken device and a nagging question: was it really worth the risk? This is just a minor issue, it's a growing trend that could affect all of us. Sustainable packaging